There we go. That's better. Test, test, test. Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Back for a weather update or to tell you about the changes from last night to this morning. This information is based off of the 3:21 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time information from the National Weather Service office out of Rapid City. So, to continue from the conversation from last night, a strong winter storm or blizzard is going to affect the region later today into Wednesday. Hazards for the Black Hills: heavy snow, going to be in the extreme category. Chance of freezing rain? None. Wind? It's going to be very strong, so we're going to put the chance of wind in the extreme category. Visibility and travel is going to be impossible. So, key message. So, all the counties in orange are, which is roughly right now about 3/4 of South Dakota. All of western South Dakota, including the Black Hills, is currently under a blizzard warning. Very heavy snow amounts will occur late today into Wednesday. Strong northerly winds will create blizzard or near blizzard conditions with significant blowing and drifting snow. Snow and winds will gradually diminish on Wednesday. So again, blizzard warning for western South Dakota and even into northeastern South Dakota and into North Dakota as well. Winter storm warning for northeast Wyoming. The next update will be mid-afternoon today. Alright, so what we do know is heavy snowfall over most of northeastern Wyoming and western South Dakota. Snowfall amounts of 1 to 2 feet or more possible over and near the Black Hills and southwestern into south central South Dakota. Travel may not be possible on Tuesday and Wednesday. What we don't know is exact snowfall amounts due to exact snow amounts. Snow totals will be difficult to measure due to significant blowing and drifting. Actions you can take: stay up to date with the latest forecasts, complete all preparations today for severe winter weather, including changing travel plans. So, last night, this graphic actually had Custer in that 24 to 30 range, so that's actually this morning has dropped a little bit, as most western South Dakota was in that very high to very high risk for really heavy snow. So that has dropped. Rapid City, you're looking at that 12 to 18 inches. Deerfield Reservoir in that 18.5 to 2 foot range as well. Lee Deadwood, you're still in that 24 to 2 to 3 foot range. That's going to primarily be because of upslope and elevation. So I did not update this graphic. I'll do that for the afternoon. So, but I'll touch on this. So they've actually have changed this to the snowfall accumulation totals. So I will try to modify my graphic, but for starting for Custer, between noon today and 6 p.m. this evening, looking at around 5 inches. Then an additional 10 inches will fall. So the National Weather Service is saying 21.6 for Custer, but they're showing this to actually go all the way into Thursday now. Even though this is supposed to be 3 days, today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, so I'm not really sure how to read this graphic. So I'll have to try to put some information or some graphics together later for that as I read that more. Winds gonna be right around that 50-mile-an-hour range tomorrow afternoon and Tuesday. Major disruption to travel. Winds will begin to increase tonight from the northeast. Northerly winds will strengthen by Tuesday afternoon with gusts around 60, maybe 65 for areas east of the Black Hills through Tuesday night. Winds will gradually decrease on Wednesday. So the reason the blizzard warning got issued is because of the projected strong winds above 35 miles an hour over an 8-hour period, and also the heavy snowfall rates. Okay, so what's new from the Weather Prediction Center? Is they're still showing through Thursday morning the Black Hills up toward Pier and Mulbridge, all the way up toward Grand Forks to just get nailed by this thing. So I don't think a lot of new information has came out of this as well from last night or from yesterday, but we'll see if anything changes for the afternoon updates. Like I said, I'll try to update some graphics here this morning, and we'll see what new information comes out. Have a good day.